How to use AI to predict market trends and build a profitable business. What if you could see market changes before your competitors? What if AI could help you spot the next big opportunity while others are still catching up? Welcome to BizTech Navigator. I'm Topsy, and today I'll show you how we've used AI to predict market trends and build multiple six-figure businesses. This isn't theory, it's what we use with our clients every day. Let's face it, traditional market analysis is broken. By the time reports hit your desk, the opportunity is often gone. Most businesses are stuck in three traps. 1. Data overwhelm. Too much information, too little insight. 2. Reactive strategies, always one step behind. 3. Analysis paralysis, unable to act quickly on emerging trends. I know this because we've been there. 3 years ago, our e-commerce business was blindsided by a market shift AI could have predicted months earlier. But then, we discovered something game-changing. We developed the Pulse framework, predictive underlying leading signals extraction. Here's how it works. 1. Pattern recognition, using neural networks to spot recurring market patterns. 2. Unstructured data mining, extracting insights from social media, reviews, and news. 3. Leading indicator analysis, identifying early signals of market change. 4. Sentiment tracking, measuring emotional responses to products and services. 5. Economic variable correlation, connecting market movements to broader economic trends. This approach isn't just about analyzing the past, it's about building probabilistic models of the future. Last year, we applied this framework to the home fitness equipment market. Our AI models detected unusual pattern changes 3 months before a major spike. This allowed our client to scale production and secure warehouse space before competitors even noticed. The tools you don't need $1 million budget. Here's what we use: Python with Profit and LSTM models for time series forecasting. Tableau or Power BI for visualization. Natural language processing APIs for sentiment analysis. Web scraping tools for competitive intelligence. Cloud computing resources for processing power. The magic isn't in one tool, it's in how they work together. Here's a step-by-step process to implement AI prediction in your business. 1. Start small. Focus on one product category or market segment. 2. Gather historical data. At least 2 years of data provides a baseline. 3. Identify leading indicators. What signals preceded past market shifts? 4. Build your first model. Start with simple forecasting. 5. Test and validate. Compare predictions to actual outcomes. 6. Expand and refine. Add complexity as you validate results. Remember, don't try to boil the ocean. Focus on the key variables that drive your business decisions. Here are 3 quick examples of how this approach transformed businesses. 1. E-commerce brand predicted a seasonal trend shift, boosting inventory efficiency by 35%. 2. B2B service provider identified emerging demand 60 days ahead of competitors. 3. Small manufacturer anticipated a supply chain disruption and secured alternative materials before prices spiked. In each case, the ROI on AI prediction exceeded 300% in the first year. The future belongs to businesses that can see it coming. AI prediction isn't just for tech giants, it's accessible to businesses of all sizes. If you want to dive deeper, I've put together a free resource guide with templates for your first AI prediction model. This is just the beginning. In our next video, we'll show you how to automate decision-making based on these predictions. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment with your biggest question about AI market prediction. Until next time, this is Topsy from BizTech Navigator, helping you navigate the future of business.